Hello, Sandra Fuentes with Fuentes Law. If you can't make up, we'll help you break up. Some confusing legal terms in family law cases are, for example, petitioner and respondent. What does that mean? Well, the petitioner is typically the person who first started the lawsuit. No matter what kind of lawsuit it is, they're going to be referred to as the petitioner. The respondent is the person who's being served with the lawsuit, who's then responding to the lawsuit. If the respondent then files their own request for certain relief, then they can turn into a counter petitioner, right? Counter demanding the petitioner's request. So those are terms that family law attorneys tend to use very often that are confusing oftentimes to people. Another term that might be confusing to people is temporary orders in a family law case. Temporary orders are basically temporary orders, right? So they're orders that the court just puts in place to get everybody through with regard to kids, property division, use of property, payment of debts, child support, all that gets paid. And there's orders in place so everybody knows what they're supposed to be doing and not doing during the pendency of a divorce case. Because sometimes a divorce case can take super long time, right? If you're dealing with intense property, lots of property or lots of debt, whatever, the attorneys need time to gather information, to do it in a process sheet, and then schedule mediation to get everything settled and divide property and debts accordingly.